Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how fixed source files could not be found Dism. To start, open File Explorer so you can see the letter assigned to the drive where the system image is. After this, enter CMD in the search box. On command prompt, select Run as Administrator. Click Yes to open. After that, you will execute the command on the screen to list the available Windows editions. You must keep in mind the index of the version to use. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now, with the index in mind, run the on-screen command to perform the system image analysis. Press Enter. You're going to wait for this process to come to an end. You can check that it was executed without error. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.